Hello everyone, we will talk about Johnson Control VFD alarm and error solutions. How we can solve alarm of Johnson VFD. There is one alarm E.FIN Heatsink Overheated. So in the VFD there is one heatsink. Okay, so what heating is generated by VFD internal cards like power cards and control cards. So for that we are using one heatsink that will reduce that heating energy. Okay, so inside temperature will be maintained. Okay, so what is the happening that there is like what is there we have set it one temperature value, so above that 85% like heating is there. Okay, right now, so what we have to do in this case, there could be the some reasons. One, like fan is not working properly. Okay, so heatsink also might be most too dusty, so we have to use blower fan cleaning inside of the VFD. And there could be one more reason, their environment could be like overheating environment, like your VFD is like you have placed that in inside of that environment, there is too much heating. Okay, so in this case what we have to do, if there is fan is faulty, we have to like replace the fan, or we have to repair that fan. Okay, and if heatsink is too dusty, so we have to do one thing, we have to use blower cleaning, we have to clean properly to that blower. And one more reason could be there, like temperature sensor could be like not working or giving wrong value. So in this case there is required to repairing of the VFD. And like if we will see that fan is not working, we can use like external fan to cooling of the VFD from inside. So this type of few steps we are having. If we will first we will check what is the issue, and second we have to do this task like replacement of the fan, cleaning of the inside of the VFD. And we have to change the environment also, like if there is too much temperature outside in the environment, so it will increase VFD temperature also internally, heatsink also will not work. Okay, so we can resolve like this.